Hello and good morning everyone. The topic for today is articles. Today we are going to study about what are articles. Before moving on to what are articles, let us understand how many alphabets are there in English language. There are 26 alphabets. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. And these all alphabets have their unique sound. For example, the sound of P is P, sound of R is R, sound of S is F, sound of H is H. All these alphabets have unique sounds. Now, these alphabets are classified into two types. These are vowels and the consonants. From ancient times, we have been learning that this is vowel. But remember, it is not a vowel, it is a vowel. It is a vowel. And there are 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U, and rest all the alphabets, remaining alphabets from F to Z are the consonants. Now, if we understand the sounds of the vowels and the consonants, we will be able to use articles. The sound of A is A. Sound of E is all the choti matras. For example, I, U, U. Sound of I is E and E. O is O and A. U is U and U. Now, let us move back to the topic articles. Articles are adjectives. You will be saying, what man is saying, what are articles? Articles are adjectives. These are not actually adjectives, but these work like an adjective. For example, these articles are used to describe a noun, whether it is definite or indefinite. We always get confused that it is a boy or the boy, a cat or the cat. If the cat is known, a cat, the black cat. If we know we are talking about a particular cat, then it is the cat. Now, let us move. Articles are of two types: definite articles and indefinite articles. Now, definite articles includes the, indefinite articles include a and an. A article, remember, A article is used where a word starts with the sound of a consonant. For example, boy, B. B is with sound, consonant sound. So, a boy. I'm talking about indefinite. I'm not talking about definite or indefinite. If we have to use between indefinite, a or an, so we will use a. If you have to use onion, the sound is a, vowel sound. So, an will be used here. A boy, an onion. Orange, an orange. But if we talk about university, here the sound is y. So, I have been talking about that these are used with the sounds. So now y is a consonant. So with a consonant comes a and with the vowel comes an. So here will come a university. Here it will not come an university because the sound of U is y. U is here. Now, if we talk about the definite articles are used with the particular things, with the personal noun, with the proper noun. The river Ganga, the Indian Times, the Tribune, the Hindustan Times. For the proper nouns, for the superlatives, for particular things, we use the, whereas and the definite. For plural, these are used for plural things, plural plus singular, but indefinite articles are only used with the singular noun, and when a noun starts with the vowel sound and comes, when a noun starts with the consonant sound, a is used. Again, I am repeating, there are two type of articles, definite and indefinite articles. Definite articles are the, indefinite articles a and an. A is used with the word which starts with the sound of a consonant, while an is used before a vowel sound.